Yeah, that's my dog, guys. All right, guys. So welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue, and it's a brand new year. It's going to be a better year, and I want to wish everybody a happy new year for 2019. And I want to help everybody understand that barbecue is all year round, guys. It's going to be a thing that's going to be taking over for a lot of people. We have a big community in the barbecue world, and we shall keep it going each and every single day, each and every single month, and each and every single year. So happy new year to you guys. And I want to apologize because you guys haven't seen a video from me in the last couple of weeks, and during the holidays has been kind of tough for me because family, friends, and everything else, and due to my job up and everything else, it's been kind of tough. So but it's going to be a brand new video you guys are going to get to see today, and I apologize in advance again for anybody that missed out on any videos they was looking for. And today we're doing something special as always. So we're going to be doing barbecue smoke fried chicken. It's going to be good. So instead of KFC, it's going to be SFC, which stands for Smoking Jazz Barbecue Fried Chicken. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the video. All right, guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell that we stay updated on all the latest content. And without further ado, guys, let's just get started right now. As you can see, I got a brining bucket that I'm going to brine my chicken in. And this is going to be a 24-hour brine, guys. And I'm going to use some buttermilk here, and I'm going to add some Italian seasoning and my favorite hot sauce, Crystal. Yep, that's going to flavor it up, guys. So we're going to let this soak overnight for about 24 hours or so, if not longer. So after 24 hours, guys, this is what it looks like right there. As you can see, it's been brining for 24 hours. And what we're going to do here is just pat it dry as much as possible. We don't want to get it all the way dry, but we're going to try to get all of that moisture out as much as possible. And I'm going to use my all-purpose barbecue rub that I have here, but as always, you can use your favorite barbecue rubs to add to your chicken. And I'm going to do a light sprinkle of it because I don't want to over-season it, and because we're going to add another layer of seasoning later on down the line. So I'm going to show you how. Make sure you do both sides, guys. And today's wood flavor, we're going to be using some hickory, some apple, and some cherry. It's going to be some good flavors for this chicken. And we're going to prep our pit balls right now for smoking and grilling. And as you can see, we got a 45 degrees temperature outside of my house right now, so it's a little bit chilly around my neck of the woods. And just open your lid and open that smokestack if you have one. If not, don't worry about it. So once you see smoke come out of the chamber, guys, we're going to close the lid and we're going to take it to the smoke settings because we don't want to cook these chicken wings. We just want to smoke them for about an hour or so. And after the first half an hour, we're going to flip them just to ensure that these chicken wings are going to get an even amount of smoke. And also the grill marks too, guys. That's going to be very important because once that chicken wing caramelizes, oh man, it's going to be good. And as you can see here, guys, I'm just going to line them up in single line form, and this is going to be some good ease, guys. I promise you that. Take a look at those, guys. They're looking good right now. We didn't even do nothing to them yet. All right, guys, so we're going to smoke these for about an hour, as I stated earlier, and then flip them after the first half an hour. And these are going to be our 10 ingredients that's going to go into our flour batter mixture for our fried chicken. Oh, man, this is going to be some flavorful fried chicken. And I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour right here. And guys, if you don't like all-purpose flour, you can use any flour that you like. It does not make a difference. However, I think all-purpose flour gives the fried chicken a nice texture in regards to the crispiness that I'm looking for. All right, guys, so we're going to add our seasoning to our batter. We're going to add some Old Bay seasoning, some ground black pepper, some paprika, some thyme leaves, some ground ginger, some lemon pepper seasoning, some granulated garlic, guys, and we're going to add some Weber mesquite barbecue seasoning. Also, we're going to add some Italian seasoning along with some Mrs. Dash original. Man, oh man, it's going to be some good flavorful seasoning right here for this fried chicken. So we're going to incorporate everything right here and combine it just to make sure everything is going to be nice and evenly coated when we dip our fried chicken in that batter. Oh man. Meanwhile, let's take a look at our chicken. Wow, they're looking amazing, guys. So we're going to flip them just to make sure that we get a nice even coating of smoke on the opposite side as well. And this is going to be our first part for our double smoked fried chicken. And look at those grill marks, guys. Wow. All right, guys, so let's prep our Weber kettle because we're going to use this to fry our chicken in. And as always, I'm going to use some Kingsford charcoal. So I got some in that chimney and some in that barbecue vortex. And as always, I'm going to use the Weber's lighters cube because that's the easiest way to light up my fire. But in addition, I'm going to use the barbecue dragon right here to speed things up. And this is going to be something really, really quick. It took literally about 3 minutes for my charcoal chimney to light up all the way. And if you need further info in regards to this barbecue dragon, I'm going to link a card right here for Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review. He has a lot of great videos to show you how to use it. And meanwhile, I'm going to add my cast iron pan to heat up right there in our Weber kettle. And I'm going to open all the vents and dampers. And we're going to preheat our kettle to 350 degrees. And as you can see right there, guys, our hour is up on these wings. Oh man, this chicken is looking good right there, guys. So I'm going to take these chicken wings off and I'm going to prep them for our dipping part because we're going to dip it in our fried chicken batter. And this is going to be some good goodies, guys. I promise you that. Wow, let's take a look at those grill marks, guys. Wow. And off camera, I have whipped up 4 eggs along with some milk just to be our binder for our chicken. And I'm gonna soak them in about 3 seconds or so before we add it to our dry mixture. And our seasoning is gonna be the seasoning part of our second layer of flavor. Wow, this is gonna be some good stuff, guys. So make sure you coat that all the way, and we're gonna double dip these. So that means it's gonna be a 2-layer of breading, so if that makes sense to you guys. But this is going to be some double dipping fried chicken, and man, oh man, I promise you this is going to be some good stuff right there. So just like so. Wow, double layer, double smoke. What else can you ask for, guys? Now we're gonna cook our chicken in 3 parts. One is gonna be smoked, the second is gonna be fried, and the third part is gonna be smoked again. This is gonna add our double layer of smoke flavor into our fried chicken. And as you can see here, I'm using canola oil to add to our cast iron pot because it has a high burning temperature. And we're gonna fill it all the way up to halfway full. Next, guys, I'm gonna add a deep fried thermometer that I got from Walmart. It was very cheap. It was less than $5, and it wasn't worth it. But by my angry face that you can see right here, guys, I kind of readjusted that cast iron pot and it snapped off and it dropped to the ground and it broke. So, you know, you get what you pay for. So, but I'm gonna use a good old trusty meat probe thermometer. It's gonna let me know the temperature of our oil, and we're shooting for a 350 degrees target. That's gonna ensure that the frying part is gonna be nice and clean. And as you can see right there, guys, we have definitely reached our target temperature. So it's time to fry these bad boys up. Yup. All right, so I'm using 1 chicken wing at a time, and the reason for that is because we don't want our chicken wings to stick or clump up with each other. And I'm adding about 5 or 6 chicken wings at a time because we don't want our temperature to drop too low beyond 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna cook this for about 2 minutes per side. And this is just a partial fry, guys. We don't want this to cook all the way. And we're looking for a golden brown consistency color that we are trying to acquire, just like so, as you can see right there. Meanwhile, back in Justice League's headquarters, just kidding, guys, just kidding. Just a little nostalgia moment right there. All right, guys, so let's get back in the video. So we're gonna crank our temperatures up on our pit balls, Austin Excel, to 250 degrees. And once we come up to temp, we're gonna add our fried chicken back into the pit balls. And this is gonna be our final step to our double smoke layer of fried chicken. Oh man, I can't wait, guys. And as you can see right there, I'm gonna add my chicken wings just like we did earlier in a single line form. And we're gonna smoke these for an hour. And I promise you guys, this is not gonna be overcooked. It's not gonna be dry, and it's definitely gonna be moist, tender, and juicy. All right, guys, so we maintained the 250 degrees temperature, and after an hour, this is what it looks like. Wow. Wow. I can't wait to dive in, guys. And keep in mind, guys, you can do this all year long, especially for football Sundays. Oh, man. And since Super Bowl is right around the corner, guys, you can do this for that special party. And get some dipping sauce, some honey mustard, some ranch, or whatever you like. Oh, man. And this is my take on double smoked fried chicken. Not KFC, not Popeyes, not Church's Chicken, or whatever chicken joint you get your chicken from. But this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue Fried Chicken. Take a look at that, guys. Oh man, that is gonna be some goodies, guys. And matter of fact, time for the taste test. So let's see what this bad boy tastes like. Oh yeah. It is so good, guys. I'm going for another bite. Wow. I know you're looking for that crunch audio, but I apologize. I had the TV up so loud that you couldn't even hear. So, but again, this is my version of double smoked fried chicken. Look like somebody fell asleep. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video from the bottom of my heart. It truly means a lot to me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen right now and ring that bell. That way you stay updated on all the latest content that I put out. Now speaking of content, each and every single Wednesday will be my upload date. So stay tuned for a brand new video on Wednesdays. Now if time permits, I will be doing one on Sundays as well. So Wednesday and Sundays are going to be my upload days, guys. So again, if time permits, I'll be doing 2 videos. Two, the number 2. Now if not, at least you get 1 video per week, which will be each and every single Wednesday. All right guys, thank you for watching again from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tell all your friends about us, Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And again, till we meet again, peace.